Kailangan ba talaga mahalang helmet para safe? Another year, another season of MotoWorld 360, and in this episode, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang isang world-class full-face helmet. May freebies pa, balita ko, pero ang presyo, wala pang 3K. Alamin natin together. So, nandito tayo sa MotoWorld SM Marikina, one of the many branches ng MotoWorld na matatagpuan nationwide. And dito sa MotoWorld SM Marikina, i-check natin ano nga ba? At meron nga bang world-class full-face helmet with freebies na less than 3K? Check natin. Eto na. Totoo ang chismis. Eto na at nasa mga MotoWorld stores nationwide na ang Studs Helios full-face helmet. Before natin i-check yung helmet mismo, balikan natin, Studs. Si Studs ay sister company ng SMK at pareho silang world-class manufacturer ng helmets. In fact, si Studs at si SMK ang one of the largest manufacturers in the world in terms of volume. Ang nagpapaganda talaga dyan is when you buy a helmet from Studs or SMK, you're buying a helmet na straight from the factory. Ibig sabihin, si Studs at si SMK ginagawa ang sarili nilang helmet. Hindi sila rebranded. Etong Studs Helios is a full-face, dual visor helmet. So kita natin, meron siyang visor and meron siyang inner sun visor. Ang maganda pa dyan, nakakita natin, yung nakakabit sa kanya is a dark smoke visor. May kasama siyang free na clear lens. Kitang-kita natin, medyo sporty yung helmet with all the contours. And meron siyang spoiler. Safe na safe because this Studs Helios helmet is safety certified DOT. All the features na matatagpuan natin from a world-class international brand, like yung rust-proof na buckle, and yung kanyang scratch-resistant visor with mga very snappy na ventilation. Kung titignan natin closer, whether graphics or monocolors, ilapit natin onte, kita natin yung quality of the finish and of the paint. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo glittery. Hindi siya tinipid. Dahil nga, Studs owns the factory. Ginagawa niya yung helmet for their own brand. So, controlled all aspects from the finish to the mechanisms to the ventilation, quality, world class. So, all those features, may spoiler, dual visor, may free clear lens, merong naka-attach na dark smoke visor, rust-proof, scratch-proof, ventilation, well-finished, world-class, own factory quality, all for $2,890. And if you're going to get this variant na graphics, marami tayong pagpipili na color, you can get this for less than $3,990. You can check out the Studs Helios full-face dual visor helmet in person. Visit MotoWorld SM Marikina or any branch of MotoWorld nationwide. Also available at all branches of Motomarket, Motostyle, and www.motoworld.com.ph. Para sa mga riders na looking for quality helmet na budget meal, the Studs Helios is for you. For less than 3,000 pesos, as low as 2,890, you are sure na you'll be able to ride safe, ride smart, and see you on the next one.